Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi there, the awesome artist here, back for another upload with you guys. Also, if you haven't seen, check out my latest upload as well. But today, we're focusing on drawing a glass of water, cup of water, glass of water, whatever you want to call it. So you start by drawing two dots there, where my finger just pointed. We're going to connect them with a simple line, and we're going to do that on the other side as well to form the two edges of our glass of water. Anyway guys, you just continue watching. I'm just going to be explaining that you guys can pause the video whenever you want or fast forward it if I'm going too slow or going too fast. In this case, I'm probably going too slow. Anyway guys, here we've drawn the second line now, as I said. And we're going to connect this. So this is a very important feature, I would say. If you want to make your cup look three-dimensional, I'm not only teaching you here, I'm also explaining the reasons why we're doing certain things for you to understand more about drawing, and it makes my job much easier because you guys will understand the reasons for stuff, etc. But yeah, as I was saying, going back, this line, it is curved because it really emphasizes the three-dimensional aspect of the cut glass, whatever. So yeah, we do that at the bottom as well as the top, but at the top we have an additional line an additional line connecting to this to make it an oval circle shape, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, here I'm just outlining for you guys to see it better. Maybe the camera resolution isn't the best, so I'm outlining it for you guys to see here. But anyway, also I just want to take a moment to say I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading for a few years now. But I'm back now, and I'm drawing a glass for you today. So also stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel because I'll be doing loads of videos, I can promise you that. Anyway, so here I'm drawing because I said glass of water, cup of water, whatever. Because I said that, I'm using blue to represent the water and the cup. Right now may not look nice, but that doesn't matter, even if at the end it doesn't look nice, which probably won't. It's just about having fun whilst drawing. So it doesn't matter if your picture turns out a bit different to mine, better or worse, it doesn't matter. It's just about having fun when you're drawing and learning. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm taking a felt tip pen to emphasize it, and you can see I'm cutting into the blue a bit. I'm cutting into the blue section a bit because, of course, you would recall with the pencil, the blue we showed a bit top, because you can slightly see the water when you're looking into a glass of water from that specific angle. Anyway guys, you can colour in whatever you want, personalise it whatever you want, but we're nearing the end here, and I would like to say thank you for watching and goodbye.